Here we are again. This time we're back on the old car locks. This one, I just thought to do a demonstration of the lishi picks. And we've actually got a stripped down HU66 Volkswagen door lock. Just so that you can see, what we're doing with the wafers inside the lock to actually pick this open. I've done demonstrations before showing the scales on the picks. But we just thought we'd do a little quick fun video of this lock. This is the key for it. Works fine. It's a little bit of a gritty lock, but it's just cheap rubbish really. But it'll do for demonstration purposes. So we'll slide the pick in. And then if I can tension this without actually holding, without hiding anything. You can see that one's moving there. It's not ready to be picked. There you go. That was binding. Now it's picked. Oh, there's another one there. Check one again. That's now binding. There we go. Another one there. Number 4's fine. Number 7. You can see that. Number 8 solid. There we go. So that just gives you a little idea of the inside of the lock really when you're picking a lock on the HU66 at least. There you go, all locked back up again. Pull this fella out. There's the key again. Yeah, just thought to do a nice little quick video just demonstrating on what actually happens inside the lock when you're actually picking it. Thank you.